Hello everybody, and today I'll do a quick short tutorial on how to use a green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. What you want to do is you want to create a new project right here, and you name the file. I'm going to name it green screen, short for GS. Save it under a location of your desire and click OK. Now we're waiting for project to load up. On the top, go to assembly mode, and then you can see timeline on the bottom, monitor, and then here's your media import. You want to go to your file explorer and you want to find the files you want to use for your videos. In this case, I'll go to download, and then there's two clips I want to use right here. I'll drag and drop them into the media, and here you go. I have it. You want to drag the first clip onto the timeline on the bottom. It doesn't matter which, but just remember to drag the green screen one on top of the other one, so the green screen will show above the background, but not the background above the green screen, or else we won't be able to see our object at all. Now you want to go to the effects mode, and then you want to single click on the green screen clip, and you can see all the video effects related to the one clip on the left. There's nothing for the green screen here, so we have to add it. So we want to go to the right, go video effects, drop down menu, go to keying drop down menu, and select Ultra Key. You want to drag Ultra Key effect and drag and drop it onto the clips you want to use. Now you can see the Ultra Key effect on the left, which is ready to adjust. We want to select key color. You want to use the eyedropper tool and select the greens. Now you can see the green disappears and all your objects left, right? And now you want to change your output mode from composite to alpha, and then go matte generation and adjust transparency. You want to adjust transparency to increase it as much as possible until there's black starting to show up in your object. In this case, if I add to 100, you can see the black in your object. This is bad. You want to increase just when black starts to appear and stop right there. This is good. 60% is good. And then you want to decrease the shadow until black starts to appear. Same ideology, just less different. You can see if I increase it to 100, it's a very fuzzy gray, which is really bad. You want to do it just slightly. There you go. 48. Pretty good. A little bit black, but there's nothing to be worried about. You want to increase the pedestal a little bit until you start to see the edges starts to go away. As you can see right here, this cupola, if I increase it, it goes away. We don't want that. We want it to still be there. So right here is good. And then after we were done with matte generation, close it, change output back to composite, and then go to matte cleanup. You want to change the choke to increase it just a little bit to soften the edges. Right here is good. And then same thing for soften, you want to increase it as well, but not too much. As you can see, soften really mess up the edges. And the last but not least, you want to go to spill suppress. You want to select desaturation, and then you want to increase a little bit to get rid of the green if there's anything appears on your object. In this case, I do not have, so I'm not going to change it. So 25 as it is. And you're basically done. Always remember to save your files, save your files, and then go on export. For export, we're gonna go to Windows, and then we're gonna select the Media Encoder 2019. This Media Encoder software is really good when you want to transform one video clip to another form. So in Q, we don't have anything, so we want to add one. So we want to go here and select GS. This one's our project that we just messed around with. We want to open it, and then you can see the format and preset. So the format, there's all kinds of format you want to choose, but this one I'll choose H.264, which is standard if you want to upload it to YouTube. And then here I've already selected the 1080p for YouTube, full HD. And then you can change your output file name. I'll leave it as it is, and then you can just click green arrow and start. Now you can see it's starting to encode. This means your video clips is being exported. And after this bar is done, you can see your videos. All you have to do is click on the output file, and it'll show you where it is, and you can just double click it and open it to see. Here is the final outcome of our little green screen project. There you have it. This is how you do a green screen. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.